Hello. So now we will see how the cost type budget works in the system. So first of all, we will see how the automatic stock accounting works. So we will go to the setting groups and here we will search here. So in this we have to assign the user which is generating all the credentials or operations. So here I have added the administrator admin. So here we will go to the inventory. So first of all, we will categorize all the products just like I have already set up all the things. So first one is FF hardware. For the cost type budget hardware, I have created the product category hardware. And here the project cost type I have selected is hardware. And for this product category, the inventory valuation should be automated. In the setting, we have added the user in the automatic stock accounting. So if that user will be able to set this inventory valuation automated. If the inventory valuation will be manual, then the cost type budget will be not calculated for this product category. And for the second category, that is FF internal labor, I have set the project cost type internal labor, and the inventory valuation will be manual. And same for other project cost category, logistic, overhead, subcontract. That's all. Now we will go to the product. Here I have created some products for the cost type budget, just like first one is FF subscription. It is a service type project and the category will be the FF underscore subcontract, and this product category contains the project cost type, a subcontract. And for this is a subscriber project, so we have take the subscriber product true. And the second product is FF device. It is a good product, and the sale price is 1,000 and cost price is 500. And the product category is FF hardware, because it is a hardware product. So the product category will be the hardware. Third one is FF Fieldwork. So it is a service type product. So I have selected the service product, and in the category I have selected the internal labor. The next product is FF Fuel. It is also a service product, and the sale price is 500 and cost price is 100, and the category is logistic. And the next product is FF Install. It is also a service product, and here the cost price is 300, sale price is 1,000, and category will be the FF subcontract. It is the last product is FF Meal. It is also a service product, and the category will be the FF Overhead. And for the product Fieldwork, this is a service tracking FF. If this product is a service tracking product, so it will create the FSM for this product. Now we will go to the CRM and we will create the new opportunity. Here, let's suppose we create the florawise testing CRM. After saving the record, it will automatically create the analytic account with the prefix AA, then the opportunity name here. And it has also created the project, and project is a B-level type project. So we will go back to the analytical account. Now we will set up all the cost type budget for from the let's suppose from 1 to 30. Here first I'll add the hardware. and here the date will automatically come from date from to date to, and we can manually change the date as per the project cost type. And the planned amount, let's suppose there is 1 lakh, and we'll set up for each. So here we have set up all the project cost type budget. So for right now, we have not removed this budget items for the reference. After all the testing, we will remove this budget item. So the only the project cost type budget we will work on. Now we will go to the opportunity. From here, we will create the quotation. So in the order line, we will first add the hardware type product. And then I will select the FF install subcontract type product. And third, so this is the FF fieldwork is a field service. So here we will select the service location. And now FF subscription is a subscriber project. So here I have created the project cost tab. Here we can see the product cost, how much the cost the product has, and its margin, and service cost and service margin. So now we will save the record and confirm the quotation. Now it has created the sale order. So we will go to the cost type budget. Here, right now the practical amount is zero. Now it has created the delivery order. So I will complete first the delivery order. Here the FFDI is the hardware delivery is created. So now I will validate it. So here if I refresh the page of cost type budget, so we can see the practical amount is filled. So the practical amount is 1500 for the hardware type product. Now we will go to the sale order once again and see FSM order has created for the service type product. So here the FSM order is created, and opportunity is also auto filled, analytical account is auto filled, and product project is auto filled. So here I will complete here I will go to the I will go to the project and create one task and go back to the FSM here, and we'll select the task which is created under the project. Actually, we will have to create the task before creating any quotation. Here I have created earlier then, but you have to create before creating any quotation. So I have created chosen the project task. So in the task, we will fill the timesheet. Let's suppose he has worked for 4 hours. And after completing the timesheet, I will complete the FSM order. So now we will go to the cost budget and refresh the page. Now we can see the internal labor cost practical amount is updated, that is 2000. And here now we will go to the vendor bill. We will select the vendor and here, and I will confirm the this. Now we will see the cost type budget for the subcontract type. Here the practical amount is zero because we have not paid. Once we will pay the vendor bill, sorry, actually here we will have to select the analytical account. So here, and the subcontract practical amount is updated as we have selected the analytical account in the invoice lines. And after that, we will go to the expense for the logistic type cost type budget. Here we will create the record, just like we will select the category. So the description will be auto-filled and the unit price of this is 100, quantity is 1. So total will be the $100 and we will remove the tax and here we will select the analytical distribution. So after creating the report and completing the order and posting the journal entries, here the logistic amount 100 is also calculated the practical amount of logistic as we have filled the FF fuel type as logistic. So now we will create one new expense for the type overhead. So the let's keep total 1000 and we'll distribute the analytical amount. Here I will create the report and post the journal entry. So here the practical amount of the overhead is also completed and so it is the cost type budget. So here it will show all the cost type budget of the system. So here the theoretical amount. It is calculated. Let me show you how it is calculated. So the theoretical amount is calculated using this formula. You can see in the display a planned amount prorated by how far the 2 days through the period. The formula is also given, you can see. So the theoretical amount is basically calculated using the start date and end date. If we change the start date and end date, it will be changed, and the achievement is also calculated using this formula. And the variance is planned amount and minus the practical amount. It will calculate the variance. So for the all cost type budget, it will calculate according to the this formula given. And for the gross margin, here it has calculated all the gross margins, how the cost is calculated for any product and the revenue is generated. And using all these, the gross margin is calculated. And for the reporting, here I have created the analytical report. Here you can see all the analytical report. So, and for the budget, I have created one more report, that is cost type budget. You will have to see this. For the cost type budget, here you can see the all the cost type budget for the respective analytical account. That's it. Thank you.